Hello everybody, welcome to Berkshire, and we are today at the California Chalet and Touring Park near Finchampstead, and we are at the start of a amazing, what day is it now, 9 or 10 day trip, so stay tuned and I will tell you all about it in just a second. Okay, so like I said, welcome to today's video. We are at the California Chalet Touring Park near Finchampstead, and this is really day 3 because we spent the first 2 days up in London, which I didn't do any videoing of because it wasn't really camping and travel. We were just seeing the sights and stuff with Max, but this is where the fun starts. We've got 2 nights. It was fun anyway, but it's going to be more fun. So we have 2 nights here at the California Chalet Touring Park near Finchampstead, and we are heading to Legoland tomorrow, so I won't go into too much detail about that, but then we are heading off to Wales, so loads planned. We've got Snowdon, Brecon Beacons, we're going up the railway, we've got loads of lakes, loads of photos, we're going to Anglesey. These are all planned. Betsy Coed, all things that we've got planned, so stay tuned. I don't know how many videos this is going to be. This is video number 1. Stay tuned and I will see you as we explore.
Videoing yourself.
I know, but it's just started.
And videoing me.
Videoing you.
Okay, I have Coke because I don't want to drink too much because it's really, really hot.
This is probably the warmest camping trip
We've had. This time last August it wasn't this warm. So.
Yes.
Anyway, so we have started our camping trip. We've just had the last 3 nights in London. Checked into our hotel in the Premier Inn in Enfield. Thursday we went into the Tottenham Hotspur stadium tour, went into the city, did Buckingham Palace, etc. And then yesterday went into the city, did Tower of London, London Bridge,
Up the London Eye.
Up the London Eye, Covent Garden, Leicester Square, and then back to hotel. And today we've started our camping trip, so we've got 2 nights here in Finchampstead, which we're camping at California Country Park. And the reason why we're camping here is because we're seeing relatives tonight,
In a minute.
and then tomorrow we are off to Legoland, so it only will take us, what,
20 minutes?
20 minutes to get to, less than that maybe, to get to Legoland tomorrow, depends on the traffic. And we're at Legoland for the day tomorrow, so that's why we're camping here. And then on Monday we start our adventure up to North Wales.
But more on that soon. Okay, morning. It is the Sunday the 7th of August and we are here at California Chalet Touring Park still. That's our first of 2 nights that we've just had. We didn't do much videoing last night because we were at a family house for a bit of a birthday gathering, but today we are not going to be here much either because we're heading off to Legoland, so maybe a few clips of that but not too much. But first up, a cup of tea, breakfast before we head out. So good morning everyone, welcome to the channel. Okay, Suzanne has just come back from, have you noticed how I always say okay at the start of a sentence? Okay. Suzanne has just come back from the shower and not massively impressed.
They're clean, alright.
Push button.
So
they keep turning off, and when they come back on again they seem to be cold, so I'm going to go and have mine in a minute. We'll see if the gents are any better, but we're still waiting for that cup of tea with the kettle's boiling now, so that's needed first. Okay, shower's had. See, I said okay again.
Okay.
Stop saying okay.
Right. Say right.
Oh, for he's a jolly good. We have, yeah, well.
Same problem as me?
Yeah, every 10, about 8 or 9, 10 seconds it lasted, the button on the shower.
And then did it go cold?
It didn't go cold, no, because I counted to 8 seconds and I kept pressing the button so it didn't turn off.
Oh.
So it was like in my head, 1, 2, 8, turn around, press the button, so I had a constant stream of hot water, but it does need a bit of TLC in there, I think, because I show.
Oh yeah, my shower.
Did it spray everywhere?
No, it didn't, but I tried to adjust it and it nearly came off the wall.
I've had enough of those parents.
I didn't adjust mine, but I should put a little clip in here of what happened, how my shower was behaving. But I wanted to show you our cool new mats that Suzanne got me for my birthday a couple of months ago. Forgot to bring them last time. So mind your feet, honey. Sorry, darling. So here they are, look. Come on screen, turn on so I can see what I'm doing, please. There we go. So it's 2 mats. They can sit like this while we're living in the van, and then when we go to bed, all we have to do is put one on top of the other, but obviously I'd have 2 hands. One on top of the other like that, seat would slide forward, and we'll have a nice fluffy rug to put our feet in the middle of the night. So we are making good use of those. Yep.
They make the van look
I'll try and link
cozier.
to the people. They do, don't they?
Don't they?
Yep, they definitely do. They're cool. Right, anyway, Suzanne's making lunch and we are heading to Legoland, so we will catch up with you later. Au revoir. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Should we go and go on a ride?
Yeah.
Let's go.
This is so good. Can I do a wave, Puppy?
So that was a quick few clips of Legoland. We didn't video too much there because we were trying to have too much fun, and then we encountered the hellish 1 hour traffic jam to get out of the car park. So Legoland, you must be able to do better than that. I'm really sorry. Those barriers were just holding everybody up, where you have to pay another £8 for parking on top of the £100 odd that we'd already paid. But anyway, that's for another day. We are back at the campsite and we are cooking. Sorry, honey, what's it called?
Cheap spaghetti carbonara. Where's the garlic?
Cheap
butter?
spaghetti carbonara on the table.
Oh.
So spaghetti carbonara, which is going to be nice. We've done it before, so I won't go into too much detail. You'd have to hunt back. Well, we're going to have to hunt back, but it's in previous videos if you've seen them. So we're cooking. We're in a bit of a rush because it is. There's crazy Suzanne. It is what's the time now? Come on, watch, wake up. 8:30.
8:30.
We left Legoland at 5:45. We were walking back to our car, and we got out of the car park at 7 o'clock. So we're behind schedule, but we'll catch up with you later on. So bye bye. Well done, honey.
Rubbish.
Tea time. Maxie's saying it's rubbish, but it isn't rubbish. It's going to be yummy. Garlic dough balls. You've got garlic butter here. Did you just dump into there? You've eaten all the.
Have you?
Butter in one scoop. Look at that. It's all gone. Okay, tea time. Good evening. So end of the 7th of August. We're turning in for the night in a little while. It's probably been quite a short video because it's day 1 of our trip that I've really been videoing. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned because we have got loads coming up. We're going to heading to Shropshire tomorrow on a stop over to Snowdon. We've got 3 days in Snowdon. We're coming down the Welsh west coast, heading to Brecon Beacons. We're away for 10 days. Stay tuned. If you like this video, and it's been a very short one, so you may not have done, but please like and subscribe because, like I say, loads more coming. Give us a thumbs up and we'll see you on the way to Wales.